Jaden from Mustang Disaster CleanUp. I just wanted to kind of explain to you today what a post-construction cleanup is, because that's what we're doing here at a business in Sioux Falls. And so we get the privilege to come in and basically clean up after a big construction is done on a building. And so today, after all kind of the sheetrock's been hung and all the painting's been done, we get to come in and clean it all up. So today, all of our jobs have consisted of just sweeping floors. We've been scraping up the glue underneath the carpet that was once laid on the floor, so we can kind of mop the floor and make sure it looks real nice. We've been doing windows as well, making sure the windows look spotless, and then cleaning the bathrooms and make sure that those are ready to go. So that's what we're doing today at a post-construction cleanup.